Hello and welcome to 3.2 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. What looked like prime time for crypto assets on softening inflation data has turned into an ugly week, with Bitcoin tumbling to its weakest price in 4 weeks on Saturday. BTC tumbled more than 2% in an hour to $65,100 during the US-Asian trading session from around the $67,000 area. The leading crypto was down 7.5% over the past 7 days. Ether dropped to $3,400, losing over 10% during this period, while native tokens of rival Layer 1 network Solana, Avalanche, Cardano and Near sported 15 to 20% declines, CoinGecko data shows. The swift tumble liquidated nearly $180 million of leveraged derivatives trading position across all crypto assets over the past 24 hours, most of them longs betting on higher prices, CoinGlass data shows. Well, this week's shakeout saw a total of over $870 million in liquidations, flushing excess leverage from markets. Political uncertainty in Europe, with the snap election being called in France, also pushed the US dollar index higher against other major currencies to its strongest level in more than a month, putting pressure on Bitcoin. Bitcoin also struggled with increased selling from miners and profit-taking from long-time holders near the $70,000 area, 10x Research noted, weighing on the broader crypto market. The global crypto market cap is $2.37 trillion, a 2.25% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $70.2 billion, which makes an 11.42% decrease. The total volume in DeFi is currently $5.47 billion, a 7.80% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. Volume of all stablecoins is now $65.62 billion, which is 93.48% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 54.46%, an increase of 0.29% over the day. Bitcoin ETFs have experienced significant outflows totaling $228.2 million, with the BlackRock's IBIT ETF reporting a net inflow of $18.2 million. This indicates that some investors still see potential in specific Bitcoin ETFs amidst the volatility. The cryptocurrency market saw significant shifts, with the 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs reporting massive outflows amounting to $226.21 million. Fidelity's FBTC faced one of the largest hits, with a single-day outflow of $106.4 million, marking its second largest since inception. Grayscale's GBTC fund followed closely with net outflows of $61.5 million. But other prominent funds such as ARK Invest and 21 Shares (ARKB) saw $52.7 million flow out, while Bitwise and VanEck lost approximately $10 million each. Smaller outflows were recorded from Invesco and Galaxy Digital's PTCO at $2.7 million. Despite these substantial outflows, the 11 funds have collectively amassed $15.30 billion in net inflows since their launch in Jan, demonstrating the overall resilience and ongoing interest in Bitcoin ETFs. Franklin Templeton is optimistic about the DeepIn sector, highlighting 2 projects that have shown success. The first is the Hive Mapper, which has successfully mapped 21% of world's roads in 31 months and has a market cap of $135 million. The second is Helium, which has grown to 13,000 network hotspots worldwide since its 5G network launch in 2022 with a native token of $569 million. The Bank of Ghana has completed its first proof of concept using the digital economy semi-fungible token in collaboration with the Monetary Authority of Singapore. The project aimed to assist Ghana's small and medium-sized enterprises in international trade and successfully executed cross-border trade between the West African nation and Singapore in April 2024. The Bank of Ghana proposed CBDC will enhance Ghana's dynamic payment ecosystem and improve consumer experiences. The first Deputy Governor of DOG, Maxwell Opoku Afari, commented Project DESFT, highlighting the bank's support for SMEs in Africa. He praised the project for its reliability and support for SMEs in Africa. A landmark judgment by the Odisha High Court in India has ruled out that encouraging people to invest in cryptocurrencies does not amount to illegal activities and refuses to identify crypto as money under existing financial laws. The ruling was made while granting bail to 2 individuals arrested in a Ponzi or pyramid marketing scam where the accused allegedly asked investors to put money in Yes World token by creating a trust wallet. The verdict has the potential to redefine the crypto landscape in India, which has been met by skepticism from the central bank and government. India has refused to identify crypto assets as legal tender and imposed a heavy 30% tax on any crypto-related earnings against the Indian rupee. The crypto community in India is hopeful that the third term of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the second term of incumbent Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman could see relaxations in local crypto regulations. The court's decision was made through a single bench led by Justice Sashikanta Mishra, who granted bail to the two individuals who were booked under various sections of Indian Penal Code and the Odisha Protection of Interest of Depositors Act. The Financial Intelligence Unit India, the national agency responsible for analyzing suspicious financial transactions, has received requests from 4 more offshore crypto exchanges to operate in India again. In 2024, India banned 9 crypto exchanges including Binance, KuCoin, Hobby, Kraken, Gate.io, Bitstamp, NEXE Global, Bittrex and Bitfinex for non-compliance with anti-money laundering laws. The FIU India lifted the ban from KuCoin in March after imposing a penalty of Rs 34.5 lakh. However, proceedings for Binance are still pending. The FIU India issued show-cause notices to the exchanges in response to violations of India's anti-money laundering regulations. India's thriving grassroots crypto adoption and Web3 developer activity have led offshore crypto exchanges to refocus on the Indian market, when there is growing acceptance of tokenization of bonds and securities-focused use cases. Andrew Tate has listed Daddy Tate, a recently launched Solana meme coin, on CoinMarketCap, marking a significant step in increasing the coin's visibility and market acceptance. The listing follows a $110 million token burn, where 400 million Daddy tokens were removed from circulation, leading to a $300 million increase in the coin's market cap. Daddy's prominence among meme coins is bolstered by Tate's influence on social media. However, concerns about insider trading have been raised by blockchain analytics provider Bubble Maps. According to Bubble Maps, 30% of the token supply, worth over $45 million, was allegedly acquired by insiders through 21 wallets. On June 9, 11 wallets funded through Binance bought 20% of the token supply, now holding about 19% of the total token supply, valued at approximately $30 million. Tate has vowed not to sell the tokens sent to his wallet, but the community remains cautious about potential liquidity impacts given Tate and associated wallets hold a significant portion of total supply. Solana Labs has introduced Bond, a blockchain-based platform that connects brands and customers through digital collectives, authentication of luxury goods and digital passports. Built on the Solana blockchain for low cost and scalability, Bond aims to address issues where traditional loyalty program by linking first-party vendors with customers and establishing a bond beyond the sale of an article. It offers functionality for issuing digital collectibles, allowing for the authentication of digital products, and enhancing customer understanding of products through a digital product passport. Bond is built on top of Solana for its low fees and scalability, creating a seamless user experience. David Hart, head of Web3 gaming API GameShift, believes Bond abstracts the complexities of blockchain integration, making it virtually invisible to end customers. JP Morgan has issued a major Bitcoin warning, stating that the demand for spot-based exchange-traded funds tied to second-largest crypto is significantly overestimated. The bank has pointed out that not all of the inflows actually represent fresh money from institutional investors, as there has been a substantial rotation away from crypto wallet on exchanges. Bitcoin ETFs have become the preferred instrument for getting Bitcoin exposure due to factors such as cost-effectiveness, regulatory protection, and deeper liquidity. Exchanges experienced a substantial drop in Bitcoin reserves following the debut of spot ETFs. JP Morgan estimates that the actual net flows into Bitcoin ETFs stand at roughly $12 billion. The banking giant also noted that Bitcoin prices are high relative to the production cost of leading cryptocurrencies, so the bank does not anticipate substantial inflows in the coming months. Blockchain tokenization platform Holograph has suffered a significant security breach, resulting in a 79.4% drop in its native token, HLG, worth $14.4 million. A malicious actor exploited the platform's operator contract, minting 1 billion HLG token. Holograph confirmed the hack on their X account and has since patched the initial exploit. platform is working with the crypto exchange partners to freeze accounts associated with the malicious actor. Holograph is also contacting law enforcement to assist in tracking down the perpetrator. The hack began on June 13 at 9:47 a.m. UTC and involved 9 transactions, with 7 involving 100 million HLG token each. The token's value dropped sharply within just 10 minutes, with the market cap dropping from nearly $22 million to $4.8 million. The token has since recovered slightly to $0.008, and Holograph operates within the Omnichain ecosystem, allowing tokens to move seamlessly between blockchains while maintaining the same contract address. The platform has attracted venture capital funding from notable firms such as Animoca Brands and Mechanism Capital. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.freevoicetv.io or scan the QR code.